This artificial intelligence tool has allowed me to make well over $500 today completely for free. All I did was use their free trial over here, and this tool has allowed me to make unlimited passive content on this website over here, which I've been able to monetize with affiliate links. Some of my stories on Instructables have been getting well over 1,000 views, which has allowed me to make well over $500 in commissions in my first day doing this. If you want to learn how this artificial intelligence can do the same for you, make sure to watch this video until the end, and I'll show you exactly step by step how you can do this as well. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here, your no-BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online, from affiliate marketing to creating content to trading, drop servicing, drop shipping, all sorts. If you want to get daily free videos on exactly what I do in my personal life to make money online from South Africa, make sure to subscribe down below to this YouTube channel with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. Without further ado, I'm not going to waste any time and let's get straight into it. I want to quickly announce, if you want to go and get over 90% off the Drop Servicing University program, all you need to do is just come over to the first link in the description. On the checkout page over here, type in the following code, SEPT368. Click on the tick over here and you will see it will take this program all the way down to just $29. That's a lifetime access fee. You get lifetime access to this 57 video intensive training with me instead of $397. So make sure to go over to the first link in the description to go and claim this while it lasts before Christmas. Alright guys, so we're now inside of my PC and welcome to my brand new video, and we're just coming to the end of 2021. So this will be a great strategy to earn some extra money before the end of the year, as now is a great time to earn some extra money for holiday spending, for presents, you name it, you can do what you want. But if you decide to skip this video, you might miss one or two important steps that plays a big role in success with this. So I really suggest, if you want to make some money online with this today, make sure to watch this video until the end. So without further ado, we're going to continue straight with it over here. So this is the first website called copysmith.ai, which is an artificial intelligence program where you can create your own marketing agencies, generate content, collaborate, launch quality content that converts at warp speed. So the difference with this is, instead of spending hours and hours developing your own content, your own ads, your own copywriting, your own text, this robot will automatically do all of this for you. It's an artificial intelligence. So you just need to click a button, sit back, relax, and this will do all of the hard work for you. So this is a very passive strategy. Before we dive straight into this tool, let's go and take a look at what this tool has to offer. So you can go and generate done for you Facebook ads and craft the perfect headline and primary text, Google ads, Instagram product descriptions, LinkedIn ads, carousel ads, and Amazon product descriptions for the Amazon store. You can go and generate done for you blogs and articles that this tool will write for you within a couple of seconds. It will generate done for you blog ideas, outlines, a done for you blog post and product description as well. Brainstorming, you've got the ADA framework, so attention, interest, desire, and actions, ad headlines, ad ideas, captions, content ideas, frequently asked questions ideas, listicles, so you can create a list from any topic, pain benefit solution, so this is the tried and tested way to position your product, benefits, and solution. YouTube video descriptions, your own branding, so this strategic core sentence that your brand represents everywhere, event, press release, landing pages, SEO meta tags, taglines, unique value propositions, other over here as well, so you can get done for you article summaries, content enhancer, content rewriters, pitch yourself so you can easily introduce yourself to new employees and clients, and also done for you affiliate emails that this tool will generate for you. So this tool literally has everything done in a box for you. So what you need to do is, in order to go and get access to all of this, just come back to the home page over here. You can just click on back. You want to click on start your free trial. You can either fill in the information, your first name, last name, email, etc., or you can just sign up with Google or your Outlook account. So I'm going to sign up with my Google account and I will meet you on the other side. Then fill in some of this information over here. Where do you work? You can just type self-employed. What options best describe your business? You can type e-commerce, or I would say go agency. Approximately how large is your team? Choose 11 to 25. What type of copy do you mostly create? You're going to select social media copy. How can Copysmith help you the best? Write more better copy. Click on finish over here and click on start generating. Once you've landed on your dashboard, click on create on the top right. You're going to click on file over here. Then once you've landed on your dashboard, click on create on the top right. You're going to go and click on new file. Over here under the popular section, select blog ideas and just click on generate blog ideas. It will ask you for your language, your expert voice, just leave those two at the default. For your target keywords, you want to enter anything in the DIY niche. So just come over to Google and just type best DIY projects. You can go and search that on Google, click on the right. Make your own hand-painted wallpaper, create your own DIY coffee station, build your own slide-out crate organizer, create your own custom mirror, reupholster your headboard, stencil and paint your nightstand. So these are all kind of DIY, outdoor kind of niche. So I'm just going to go and type here camping essentials as my example. You can use the same if you want to. Click on generate over here. It will take about 15 seconds. On the right, it will then give you a whole bunch of camping essential topic ideas for your article post. So over here, we've got 5 camping essentials to make your next trip truly magical, the ultimate camping essentials list, 8 essentials you can pack for your next camping trip. I'm just going to go and choose this top one over here. Then go and copy the title of this topic idea over here that has generated you. You want to click on back over here. You want to click on save and exit. Click on create new file again. And on the right over here, it will give you a whole bunch of topic ideas for camping essentials. So we've got 5 camping essentials for beginners, a guide to 12 camping essentials, 10 camping essentials you need for your next trip. What we want to do is we want to save this here in this tab for now. You want to go and open up copysmith.ai in a new tab, just log in with your same account. And the reason we want to do this is because we're going to be copying and pasting from this tab into our new tab. Same as last time, go and click on create on the top right, click on create new file. This time you want to go and click on blog outline. Click on generate blog outline, and all we need to add is our blog title and our description. So for our title, we're going to go and type camping essentials, the same as what our keyword was for our intro idea. For the description, remember this tool has already generated a description for us, so we can go and copy the same description that this tool has generated and go and paste this over here and click on generate. Again, it will take about up to 15 seconds. And this one's perfect over here. Section 1, know your camping gear. Section 2, learn to use the right gear for the job. Section 3, know the ins and outs of your camp stove and cookware, understanding how to use a tent. So this is perfect. We can then go and choose this one over here, and we want to click on save and exit on the top right so that it saves. And same thing as last time, click on create, click on file again, and this time we want to go and click on blog post. Over here under the other section, click on blog post, click on generate blog post. For our blog post title, we can go and copy the same title that we generated previously, 5 camping essentials for beginners. For an example to the intro, we can go and type this description and intro over here that it has generated. For the first sentence of paragraph 1, we can come over to the tab that generated our done for you blog intros, and we can go and copy, for example, this first sentence over here, go and paste this here. For sentence number 2, we can go and copy this sentence over here. And for sentence paragraph number 3, we can go and copy this sentence over here. And we can go and click on generate blog post, which will take about 1.5 minutes. 2 minutes later, and this tool has generated a done for you article titled 5 camping essentials for beginners. They give you an entire introduction, body, and a conclusion of this article that we can now go and use to make money off of. That's going to lead us to step number 2, where we're going to come over to this website over here called instructables.com. Here, people post posts all about DIY projects. So, for example, a circuitry that sings Christmas songs, a articulated gingerbread man, and an articulated joint. You can see this just like DIY home shops. Then you've got crafting, you've got cooking, you've got living, you've got outside over here, which ours would fall into. You've got teachers on how to create different projects. So what we're going to go and do is we're going to go and create an account on this website. We're going to go and click on sign up on the top right, fill in your email, username, password, or you can just sign in with Facebook or Google. So I'm going to log in with my account and meet you on the other side. Now it's as simple as copying and pasting and copying and pasting. For our title, we can go and copy the title, 5 camping essential for beginners. Paste this over here. For our category, it's going to be outside. The channel is going to be camping, since this is all about camping essentials. For our introduction, we can go and copy this little introduction over here, paste it. For our supplies, we can go and copy the second body over here, go and paste it. For step 1, we're going to go and copy this description over here, the second part of the body, go and paste this, and then add a new step. For step 2, we're going to copy this section over here. So we're just going to go highlight and copy we can go and paste over here. And step number 3, before we go and publish this, we want to come over to a website called kit.co. Now this will allow us to make money off multiple affiliate links and multiple Amazon products at the same time. So obviously here, since our article is all about camping, we can go and list, for example, a sleeping bag, a stove, and a jacket and a tent, which we can all add into one kit on kit.co with our affiliate link to, and now our article is going to make sales on all of these products at the same time. So we're going to click on plus on the top right, click on create a new kit. For the kit name, we can go camping essentials, and we can go, for example, camping needs. Click on next over here. For your product, we can go and type tent, click on the arrow, and we can go and add, for example, this 4-man tent. Click on add to kit. Product number 2, we can go camping stove. Click on next, so we can go and search this product. Let's go and add this one over here, this gas camping stove, add to kit. And then for product number 3, we can go, for example, sleeping bag. Click on search. We can add the sleeping bag over here and add it to kit. And finally, number 4, we can go type camping jacket. Click on search. And over here, we can go and choose this first one here. Click on add to kit. So now we've got the perfect camping essential kit. We've got our tent, our stove, our sleeping bag, and our jacket over here for camping. So we can click on view kit, and on the top left, you can copy the link to your kit over here, camping essentials. You want to come back to your article over here, and at the top of each and every paragraph, we can go and type, grab your camping kit here. Paste the link. We just want to highlight this link. Click on link and click on save. And then all you want to do is just copy and paste this at the top of each and every article over each and every paragraph. Once this is done, you can go and click on publish, and you want to go and publish at least one article a day, every single day on Instructables.com, as the algorithm on Instructables.com favors content creators that post consistently. You can't expect to post one article to suddenly go viral and get a ton of sales. It could happen, the potential is there, as this website does have a lot of virality to it, but consistency works best. So if you post 30 posts every single month, that's one post a day for 30 days, and you get 10 views per article per day, that's now 300 views per day, which can turn into 2-3 sales a day, which before you know it is $50, $100, $500, and then scale to $1,000 a day in affiliate commissions with the Amazon affiliate products that you've created in your kits over here. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more. I'm going to leave my affiliate marketing playlist over here with my best affiliate marketing videos that I've compiled on YouTube over the last 2 years. There's well over $2,000 worth of information in this playlist over here. Some free traffic methods, paid traffic methods, also creating funnels, email marketing, all the essentials that you need to perfect affiliate marketing. So what I suggest you do is you can go and use this strategy over here and apply some of these traffic methods over here to get traffic to your kits over here. So what I suggest is click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.